today I'm going to show you what $800,000 can buy you in Sarasota, Florida, just west of the trail. Stay tuned, you're not going to want to miss this. I am going to show you this is stunning house just west of the trail. This is just listed at $800,000. It's a fantastic one-story home with 3 bedrooms and 2 full baths. So come inside with me and I'm going to give you a quick look around this house. It is fantastic. We are west of the trail in a fantastic location. This home is a beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-bath home. We are only about 10 minutes to the beach. We are about 10 minutes to downtown. This has the most desired neighborhood and elementary school in the area, which is Southside Elementary. This property is listed for $800,000 and it is absolutely stunning. Beautiful laminate floors throughout. This is the master bedroom. There is an ensuite bathroom. The guest bath is right here. 2nd bedroom. And the 3rd bedroom is currently used as an office. Now I'm going to show you the backyard. Plenty of cabinet space. There is also a garage. This is great for entertaining. It's a beautiful backyard with lush landscaping. It is fenced in. It's a 1-car garage. And there's room to park about 3 in the driveway. So if you're looking for something priced really well west of the trail, look no further. This is what $800,000 can buy you in Sarasota, west of the trail. I'm standing right outside Southside Elementary School. This is a historical school, having opened their doors in January of 1926 with just 170 students, and today they have well over 650 students. We are looking at the playground right now, and they have 3 separate playgrounds, and they're based on grade. And then in the center is a huge area, and they just put this in this year, turf area. So they'll play soccer out there. The kids will do their gymnastics. There's also a basketball court and a covered pavilion. So this is a fantastic school. Cannot recommend it enough. It is on the Register of Historical Places. One of the great things about living west of the trail is the proximity to all these little shops, bars, and restaurants. Also super close to Morton's Gourmet Deli, where you can pick up dinner on the go or a salad bar. You can have a pizza made. That's Morton's Deli right in front of us. So it's a great area. Very walkable, very friendly to bike riders as well. This is Perk Coffee Bar. Fantastic outdoor and indoor coffee. Super fancy if you like fancy coffee. This area west of the trail has amazing mature landscaping, beautiful oak trees, lots of palm trees as well. You'll find some older homes mixed in with some modern homes. Often what people do is buy an older home and knock it down and then build a giant two-story, but it's very charming. It's a great location because you're really in between downtown Sarasota and Siesta Key. You have the best of both worlds, also not too far from the water. So that's a plus. Just beautiful houses, highly desirable and sought after by many buyers in the area. But this is the area west of the trail.
For more videos like this, please like and subscribe to our channel.
If you want to get a hold of me, please give me a call, send me a text or an email, and I'm happy to reach out to you to assist you with all your real estate dreams.